Another fun week was upon Tom and Harry. First, they started with this rather shitty garden clearance.
Oh, fuck me. There's loads of wire in this house.
Tom proceeded to get frustrated at the amount of wire that was present in the shrubbery.
Shit. Is there any need, really? Look at the shitty state of that. Oh, fuck off. Blubber Connie. Oh, to come out.
Are you ready?
Tom and Harry drag the last of the conifer up to the chipper. The boys had some lunch. Harry was on the Kafir Starmers.
I'm saving that. We got the last tree done, which was a purple plum to prune, and then here it is, tipping off at the end of the day. Come on then. Good shit. Oh, stalled it. Shit. Finally got some time to get in the workshop and get the trailer ready for the next job we were going to undertake this week.
Yeah, I've got them all in, Tom.
About time.
Well, if you can do any better, you fucking get on and do it. It's done. Done.
Yeah. Thought you took it home.
No, that's another one I've got. They both belong to me.
One of them's mine.
No, it's not. It's mine.
You fucked mine and I had to buy another one.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
I'll check it.
Are you a coffee if you behave?
What?
Ah,
What is it?
I don't know.
What is
It's not one of your cubes.
Very funny.
That's my one.
It's not. It's mine. Carry on with that. I should be taking the fucker home. Before you go any further, get the socket and try all them wheel nuts. Make sure they're tight. I think you bent it. No, not me. It's mine.
It's not in the workshop. Who did that?
Blame me. I'll
What size is it?
I don't know, you tell me. Yeah, basically. No. I should check all four as well, because you don't have to tie it.
Number plate.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, is me rattle gun here? Have you fucking pinched that still?
No, it's here. It's over there. You put it there, not me.
Quickly check the Unimog oil before we set off to the job. She's a slow old bird, but we eventually got to site and got set up, and this is the tree we were taking down for the day. It's just a big conifer. A bit girthy. Rope in. Let's go, baby. Let's get into it.
Push pineapple, shake a tree. I can do. Push pineapple, like coffee. To the left, to the right. Jump up and down and to the knees. Come and dance every night. Sing with the hula melody. I met a hula mistress somewhere in Waikiki. What she was selling, pineapple playing ukulele. And when I went to the girl, come on and teach me to swing.
So how's Warrior Strong going?
Mate, it's going really well. 5 sessions a week,
Yeah.
60 members, smashing it. People are getting mega fit, mega strong. First hill reps is the way forward. Going backwards is the best way to go forwards. Works your posterior chain, glutes, back, calves, hamstrings. Yeah.
Brilliant.
Just haven't got enough days to run it.
I know the fucking
But
feeling, mate.
Warrior Strong Fitness session, and then from there over to Warrior World Gym in Baggington. We're fully booked.
Whilst trying to build your house, whilst trying to have a happy wife,
Yeah.
whilst trying to be a parent.
I actually service for 2 boys that play hockey almost every day. Apart from that, it's dead quiet. Mate, the army is easy compared to what I do now.
And you were a sergeant major.
Head regimental sergeant major, mate.
Regiment RSM.
I was saying, yeah. That ain't about.
No, you don't. No, I always say to people, say fair play to Ed. You know, he's just a machine. You just don't stop.
Thing is that the moment you stop is the moment you die,
Yeah.
isn't it?
That's why I try and keep my dad so busy on everything.
Keep Martin busy.
Yeah, because otherwise he'll just be in a little hovel, wouldn't he?
No, I wouldn't.
Just
Tons of shit to do. 70 in April.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
70.
Fair play, mate. You don't look 70. I'm not.
no,
I'm,
it's
I'm not saying that to be kind. I'm
About
just.
75.
You feel,
He just needs to get his hair cut.
Yeah, I just don't have a chance to get there. Right, we better do this then, haven't we?
that's not ideal, is it?
No.
Got the old turkey's head.
He on a walk back from the Red Lion at Hunningham, we'd had an absolute skinful in there. They're like, Jesus Christ, wrestling one out.
Yeah, basically.
Thing is, you got to go, don't you?
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
Well, at least I didn't chip myself in my son-in-law's car.
Yeah. Is that what you did?
Yeah, he'd been having a scrap.
You can laugh about it now.
Recently?
I was pissed as a rat, but I woke up in a pile of poo. You know.
Not ideal, that is it.
And he had
Who are you fighting, Paddy the Baddy?
No, he's a geezer though, isn't he? Some boy.
Do you like him?
Wow, I'll get.
Go on, let's let this down.
1, 2, 3, 4 million times I think about you. I just get so hot when I'm around you. 5, 6, 7 a.m. Baby, keep it going. Don't let this night end. 'Cause I think I'm in. 1, 2, 3, 4 million times I think about you. 1, 2, 3, 4 million times I think about you. 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 1, 2, 3, 4.
Fuck's sake.
Is that about far enough away? What's so funny is it taking a picture of me? Well, I haven't touched anything.
Turn it round and face that.
Well, I don't know. I've never seen one of these before. Well, next time I got a gearbox in bits, I'll get you to put it together again. Horses for courses, mate.
How many tons in that?
About 3. There you go. Switch the fucking thing off.
Fuck me.
There she going.
Right lads, that's all you. Sam. She's a thirsty girl. Done well there. And there we have it, another fun-filled week complete.